bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert. Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Bartow County Sheriff's Office and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a blue 2017 RAV4 Toyota with Georgia tag CRF9791. On December 1st, 2021, Catalea Marie Buttram, a 2-year-old mixed female, was abducted by Ricky Lee Buttram, 25-year-old black male, 6 foot 7 inches tall, weighing 193 pounds, and was last seen in the metro Atlanta area and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Catalea Marie Buttram or the 2017 RAV4 Toyota with Georgia tag CRF9791, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and or the CSend app for the iPhone and Android user.